this video, you will learn about past perfect tense. When to use past perfect tense. Number one, talking about action in the past before another action. The past perfect tense helps shows which of the two past actions happened first. Example, they had visited the museum before it closed. He had eaten dinner before the movie started. How to form past perfect tense? Positive form. Start with the subject, add had, and then add the past participle form of the verb. Example, I had seen that movie before she told me about it. She had finished her homework before she went to bed. They had eaten their breakfast before they went to school. Negative form. Use not after had to form negative sentences. Example, he hadn't finished his course after before going out. They hadn't cleaned the house because they were too tired. We had not seen that movie before. Question form. Begin with had, add the subject, and then add the past participle form of the verb. Example, had they already left when you arrived? Had you studied hard before you took the test? Had you finished your homework before watching TV? Don't forget the past participle form of regular verbs often ends in ed, but irregular verbs have unique forms that you need to learn individually. Walk, walked, dance, danced, study, studied. Thank you for viewing. Please like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel.